morning, students. In over this video, we are starting absorption of the gases on the surface of the solids. It means how the absorption of the gases takes place on the surface of the solid. We all know that what is the meaning of adsorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomena, and in this the particles of the material get collected on the upper surface, so that is known as adsorption. In general, when we discuss about the adsorption, almost all solid materials adsorb the gases to the some extent. In some solids it will be more, and in other solids it will be less. The extent of adsorption of gas on the solid surface is affected by the following factors. In these we have get affected by the following factors. The first factor which we have is nature of the gas. What is the nature of the gas? It affects its adsorption. The second factor, nature of the adsorbent. The nature of the adsorbent material will also affect the process of adsorption. Specific area of the adsorbent. This factor also affects the process of adsorption. Specific area of the adsorbent. Fourth factor, effect of the temperature. Effect of temperature will also affect the adsorption of gases on solids. Effect of pressure. Effect of pressure will also affect the adsorption of gases on the surface of the solids. And at the last, the sixth factor, activation of the adsorbent surface. The adsorbent material which we have, what kind of activation of this material is present is also affected by the process, the adsorption. Now we will discuss these points in detail one by one. And in this, the first we have nature of the gas. Nature of the gas. First point we will discuss in the detail is nature of the gas. How the nature of the gas get affected by this process. The amount of the gas, adsorbed by the solid depend on the nature of the gas. In general, under given conditions of temperature and pressure, some gases are easily liquefiable, and these gases like CO2, HCl, ammonia, Cl2, like CO2, HCl, ammonia, Cl2, all these gases are adsorbed more than the permanent gases. These gases adsorbed more with comparison to permanent gases, like H2, N2, O2. So that is the nature of the gas which affects the process of adsorption. The higher the critical temperature, the more easily a gas is liquefied, and have the more readily it will be adsorbed. Chemical adsorption is highly specific in nature. And a gas get adsorbed on the solid only if forms a chemical bond.
तो स्पेसिफिक नेचर के होने की वजह से केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होने पर यहाँ पर जो है आपका वो एडजॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस, वी गेट द एडजॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस देयर. The second factor which we have, that is nature of adsorbent. That is first factor, nature of gas. Now the second factor which we have, the second factor is we have, and this factor is nature of adsorbent. Second factor is nature of adsorbent. Nature of adsorbent. Nature of adsorbent. In this second factor, what we have, extent of adsorption of a gas depends on the nature of adsorbent. Activated charcoal can absorb gases. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal can absorb gases which are easily liquefied. Easily liquefied gases are absorbed by the activated charcoal. Many poisonous gases are absorbed by the charcoal. Therefore, it is used in the gas masks. Therefore, activated charcoal is used in the gas masks. Gas masks to absorb the poisonous gases. So that also affects the process of adsorption. Gases such as N2, H2, O2 are generally absorbed on the finely divided transition metals. N2, H2, O2 are absorbed on finely divided transition metals. Finely divided transition metals. Finely divided transition metals. So adsorption of these gases are there. Nickel and cobalt most common adsorbents. Nickel and cobalt are the common adsorbents. Which are used in the adsorption of the gases. So that is the second factor which we have. Third factor, surface area of adsorbent. The third factor which we have is surface area of adsorbent. Maximum surface area, third factor, surface area of adsorbent. More surface area, more will be the adsorption. More will be adsorption. अगर सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा है तो वहां पर आपको एडजॉर्प्शन जो है वो भी ज्यादा देखने को मिलता है. इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर, व्हाट वी हैव इन दिस केस, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर we have in case of adsorption. Fourth factor, effect of temperature. In case of effect of temperature, we have a equilibrium state there, and that is gas. This gas is adsorbent. This gas is behave as adsorbent plus solid, and this solid is adsorbent. Equilibrium is present there between both these conditions. Here we have condensation or adsorption condition. And at the here we have the evaporation condition there. Evaporation condition there. Gas adsorbed on the solid. What we get there? Gas adsorbed on solid. That is the exothermic reaction which we have, and liberation of the heat also takes place there. So this is the effect of temperature we have during the process of adsorption. Gas we have like adsorbent, solid we have like adsorbent. Equilibrium is present there, and condensation in the form of adsorption there. And when the reverse of this, that is evaporation. Heat is liberated during this reaction. So these are the factors which affect the adsorption of gases on solid.